Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Kim, and if you're not new, welcome back. Like I told you guys, I want to film every single day of what I eat, and hopefully I can get videos up on my channel like every other day so you guys have something to watch at least 3 times a week. But yeah, also want to say thank you to everyone that left a comment, sent me a DM about my green hair. I did Google it, and it is called swimmer's hair, and it happens all the time, especially when you're like in the pool with chlorine in the sun. It usually happens with people that have lighter, like blondish hair. So thank you for everyone and their suggestions. 2 suggestions that I got the most were 1, ketchup. Like lather my hair in ketchup, which I think is like crazy, but I literally got like 10 DMs and comments about ketchup. So I'm still thinking about that because I did YouTube ketchup in hair for the green color, and it actually really works. And then the second suggestion was just going to Sally's and just, you know, letting the girls that work there know what's going on, and they could just like give me recommendations and just guide me to the right direction on what I need to put in my hair. So I'm not sure which one I'm gonna do yet. So if I do end up doing the ketchup one and lathering my hair in ketchup and letting it sit for 40 minutes, I am gonna film that. I think that's so cool, and I think it, you know, it can help others like they helped me. So yeah, so I'm craving deviled eggs. So I'm gonna make deviled eggs today, and I'm just gonna make that and use that sort of as like my snack. So whenever I'm feeling hungry, I can just go in the refrigerator and just grab a deviled egg and eat that. I know a lot of people that can't just eat deviled eggs like by itself. I know Jamal can't. He has to like have a big plate of food like Thanksgiving, but me, I can do that, and I've just been thinking about it for the past couple of days, so that's what I'm gonna do. So I hope you guys enjoy this video of what I eat in a day. I'm gonna go ahead and make some coffee, get some work in, and make breakfast. So this is my breakfast, guys. This is what I used to always eat for breakfast. I used to do the toast, but this is 0 net carb toast this time. I have a bed of greens, and then top it off with an over medium egg. And I did add a little bit of mayonnaise, as you guys saw, and 2 pieces of bacon. I do have my eggs boiling so I can make deviled eggs later. But yeah, this is my breakfast for today. Alright guys, it is lunchtime. It's about 2 o'clock, and I'm gonna make wings for lunch today. I'm just gonna pop them in the air fryer. I've eaten these before in a video on my channel. These are rotisserie flavored wings that I just get from Sam's, and I'm just gonna pop them in the air fryer. Again, I have a 40% off discount code for this air fryer. I love it, my family loves it. We use it at least once a day, and oh, the code is only good until November 9th, so take advantage of it while you can. I'm gonna peel my eggs now. So I don't know if you guys know how to make deviled eggs. Maybe you guys do, maybe you guys don't. I know there's a lot of you that are from other countries, like Thailand, the Philippines, Vietnam, New Zealand, and you guys probably have no idea what I'm making. So that's why I'm making it. And again, a lot of you probably already know how to make it, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys because it is a really good low carb snack. So I'm gonna take the egg and I'm just gonna cut it long ways like this, open it up, and I do have a little bowl here. I'm just gonna put it here, and I'm just gonna put the yolk in the bowl. So, and then I have this little thing here that I got from Dollar General a while ago, and you just set your eggs here. Sorry guys, Micah is in the back playing something, so. So this has all the yolk. Alright guys, super simple ingredients. I'm gonna be using salt, garlic powder, black pepper, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, and sweet jerkins, and I'm just gonna use the juice. I'm gonna add mayo first. So I'm gonna put about that much, like 2 tablespoons. Yeah, so about 2 tablespoons of mayo, but I'm probably gonna add more. I'm gonna add just a little bit of Dijon mustard, about 1 teaspoon, I would say. Salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. Now, I do want to mention that this is restaurant grind black pepper, so that's why it looks like I'm putting a lot, because they're thicker than regular pepper. But anyway, I do like a lot of pepper. Mix this up. I think I need more mayo. Yeah, I'm gonna need more mayo. Unfortunately, I ran out of paprika, so the next best thing is red pepper or cayenne pepper. So I'm just gonna do half, because I know Jamal's not gonna eat the ones with cayenne pepper. All right, so I'm just gonna put this. I picked up, I can just eat it like this. I usually just eat it by itself without any flavoring or sauces, but I picked this Sweet Baby Raise Up, and it's no added sugar, and it only has 3 net carbs per 2 tablespoons. So that is crazy, because I'll show you guys a regular barbecue. Sticky Fingers Carolina Sweet Barbecue, which I love as well, but it has 13 grams, well, it has a gram of fiber. It has 12 net carbs per 2 tablespoons. So 12 versus 3. Yeah, obviously I'm gonna go with 3. So I'm gonna put this on the wings. Okay, so I'm just gonna. So this is my lunch, guys. Just super simple. Oh, it's very hot. You guys see the steam. 4 pieces of the rotisserie chicken jumbo wings with some of this no sugar added Sweet Baby Ray's. So. Okay guys, so for dinner, I kind of just threw everything together, literally. I added some garlic butter, and I threw in a bag of frozen vegetables. These are carrots, broccoli, cauliflower, and yellow carrots. And then I just threw some shrimp in here, and I just kind of just literally threw everything together, and it came out really, really good, so. I did add like Old Bay, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and a little bit of Cajun seasoning. So I would definitely recommend it. It's such a quick and easy and tasty dinner. So
here it is.
All right guys, and for my dessert, I'm just gonna have one of these Kind bars. This is the caramel. This really is the one that tastes more like a dessert. The dark chocolate's really good. It's actually my favorite, but I think this is just a little bit sweeter. So I'm just gonna have this for my dessert. So I'm gonna end this video here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.